Hello friends, welcome back in our channel. Friends, in this video we'll discuss our next topic, which is related to seller bill. Next, create issues, create receipts. We'll discuss these all topics in this video. Till now we have completed like a master's tab, arrival entry, sale entry. These are like daily sale. These all topics we have just covered in our previous video, so you can refer these videos if you want to learn regarding this software. So in this video, first we'll discuss about the seller bill. Like, what is seller bill? First we need to understand this. So seller bill is we can say that we got the goods from the supplier and we need to give them a rough bill that we sold these goods on these rate. Like, this is all about the seller bills on which we have to give the rough rate of the goods to supplier. So this is a seller bill. So for this purpose, we just need to click on, I'll show you the partly sold. There is only one supplier one, which I have already entered in our previous video, the data of supplier one which I have entered. So I'll show you this data only. So on this you have to just double click on this, and then there is a three options available. First option is club rate, that says that combine goods according to one rate only. Like, you are providing the one rate for all goods, so they will club the rates accordingly. And if you're talking about average though, so they will make the average of goods related to the price. Like, you have a product of 100 rupees also, they will average according to 100. And you have a product or goods or 500 rupees, they will average according to 500. And if you want as it is, they will make a bill of as it is. I'm choosing as it is. Now you can see that the bill is showing as it is of a supplier one. So this is the procedure of creating a seller bill, on which you can get a automatic generated bill available here. So you need not to worry about this. So this is all about seller bill. So next topic is create marka, like create issues and create receive, which we have already created in create marka. This is like, you can see that sada marka we have 100 with the cost 50 per, and svt we have a 200 with the cost 90 per head. Okay, so in this video we'll discuss now the create issues. I'm just issuing the crate to the next girl. Like, you can see that these crates are already issued to customer 3, customer 2, customer 1. So customer 1 has Sada 20 and SVT 22. Likewise, customer 2 Sada 25 and SVT is 23. And customer 3 have a Sada 50 only. So next I'm creating customer 3 has a SVT that is 21. Okay, so I have just like issued SVT to customer 3. Next, I'll show you that I have just created the customer 3. Now you can see that this create is issued to customer 3. If the customer is giving the crate back, so you have to enter the data of create receives. So I'm entering you have to use entered here. Like, customer 3 is giving SVT. I have just entered 21, so I am entering 19. He has just returned, so this is I have just entered. And if you want to see the data, now you can see that this data is available. Like, customer 3 has just returned SVT 19. Still 2, like SVT has the customer has already. So this is the procedure of creating create issue and create receive. Like, if you want to see the data related to creates, you need to enter, like, you have to go into the create analysis tab. So you will get each and every detail related to create. Like, I'll show you the ledger directly here in like, if you want to see the ledger of customer 3 with all marka. Now you can see that customer 3 is related to all the crate, the all the data is available here. So you can see that SVT we have just issued 21 and received 19. 2 is still pending. The price you can see that which we have entered in crate marka while entering the crate marka's data. So this is the ledger of a particular customer of a for a crate marker. So crate receivable total, total, like every detail related to crate you can check here. So I'll just show you the crate laser detail. You can explore all these detail related to crate. So in next our topic is quick payment. Like if you want to give just pays to something, pay money or pay or like pay money to supplier, then you have to enter the data into it. Like I have just entered the one data which is I have just paid to supplier one. The amount is 1,000. The payment mode is cash. I have just done, and you just need to click on update button. And if you want to change anything, you can change also. Like the amount paid to payment is I'm just paying the supplier one, that is 1001, and I'm updating this. So this is the procedure of quick payment. Like if like you are paying to supplier or whatever your customer, everything like to which you want to pay. If we are talking about the quick receipt, I'm just giving you the like you just receive the money from a customer or in a cash mode, then you can directly add the data like this. I am not adding the new data. I'll just show you the data which I have already entered in this, and I'm just double clicking on this and then just updating the data. So this is the procedure of entering the quick receipt and quick payments entry. Regarding bank entry, you already know that in our previous video we have already discussed regarding this bank entry, in which you have to enter the bank detail. Like bank entry is related to cash to bank and bank to cash only. I have to choose, like I'm choosing here check, draft, RTGs, and cash I am choosing here. Amount I am entering 501 here, and check details you have to enter, and then click on save button. So this is the procedure of creating the bank entry. So this is all about create issues, create receive, quick payment, quick receive, bank entries. So the main topic of this software is all about all our comes under in entries. And then like if you want to see the reports of a particular customer, then you need to click on reports, and after that you have to choose a laser and then click on I'm just choosing customer 3 here and then click on OK button. So this is all about the laser of a customer 3. The complete data of a customer 3 is available here. If you want to WhatsApp to this customer, you just need to click on this button, and then directly the data will send to the this customer. So in report you can check the balance sheet, profit and loss account, trial balance, day book. If you want to see according to day, you can check the data. This is all about day book. Cash, if you want to like cash and bank entry, if you want to check, you can check this also. Day book come cash book, you can check this. Quick payment register, which I have just I told you that regarding this, you can check the register is available, like 1001 entries. I just show you how to enter the data related to quick payment, quick receipt. All these datas are like these are report which you have entered in entries. You will see each and every detail related to your entries. Your entries are like whatever entries you have done, you'll see the report of these entries is here. So customer report, if you want to see like collection report, sale registers, sale summary, like everything item wise summary. If you want to see day wise, if you want to see customer wise, like there is a different options are available according to customers requirement. Like some customers want the sale register according to items, sale register according to like different different requirements are there for our customers. So we have added these all options like day wise summary if you want to see, item wise summary if you want to see, customer wise summary, detail chahiye, and detail if you want to, if you want the detail structure, detail summary, you can check each and every detail. If you're talking about the arrivals entry, you can check the reports of arrival entries here, like arrival entry register. I'm just clicking on OK button. Now you can see that these all arrivals are available, which I have just entered on this date. So you can check the arrivals entry registers also, and seller bill also, pending seller, which the seller bill which are pending, you can see here, supplier summary, profitability, like everything related to the entries you can see in report, customer report, arrival entry, and crate analysis. So this is all about this software. Huh. And next, if you want to check your stock on regular basis, you can check the stock accordingly. Like you can check the supplier one, supplier two. You can check the party stock if you want to check the stock information. Like if you want to check any kind of stock, so all stocks information are related or available on stock reports. So this is all about you can check the party stock lot number wise. If you want to check self stock, you can check party wise. You can check, and next pendency report if you want to check, like every detail related to stock you will find in stock reports tab. So this is all about this software. The main concept I have just told you regarding this software, and still if you have any kind of doubt, you can directly deal with me with the help of comment section. Thank you.